everybody. I am Rakshika. I am studying UKG. I am here to talk about benefits of trees. Trees are beautiful and majestic. Have you ever wondered about our life on earth without trees? Don't think too much, because there will not be any life on earth without trees. Trees are the lungs of our planet. Trees are the great gift to life on earth. Trees give oxygen, clean the air, cool the earth, conserve energy, save water, prevent water pollution, prevent soil erosion, protect from UV ray, provide food, provide shelter, abandon animal. These are teachers. உண்ண கனி ஒண்ணுங்க இழல் உடலுக்கு மருந்து உணவுக்கு விருந்து அடைய குடில் அடைக்க கதவு அழகு வேலி ஆட தூளி தடவ தைலம் தாளிக்க எண்ணெய் எழுத காகிதம் எரிக்க விறகு மரம்தான் எல்லாம் மறந்தான் மனிதன் மறந்தான். So friends, protect our Mother Earth. Namaste, I am Ravinda. Today my speech is about benefits of green foods and green vegetables. Green vegetables are peas, beans, cucumber, chili. Some green foods are watermelon, jackfruit, custard apple, guava. Eating these, our body increase immunity power. It contains lots of minerals and many types of vitamins. So everybody should include it in our meals. Thank you. Good morning, doll. I am Sandy Mendapasana. I am studying in PV. I am going to talk about benefits of green vegetables. Green vegetables good to health. Thus all vitamins. We should eat vegetables daily. It has all vitamins. I got it our brain. I make our skin glow. Today we are celebrating Green Day. My name is Catherine Zana. Life cycle of a butterfly. First, butterfly lays the egg. Then it turns to a pupa. Then pupa turns to a larva. Larva turns to a butterfly. Good morning. Today celebrate and Green Day. Talk about egg, caterpillar, pupa, butterfly. Thank you. Hi, my name is Devada Sudallai. My topic is life cycle of butterflies. Egg, larva, pupa, adult. Thank you. Hi, I am going to explain the life cycle of a butterfly. Number 1, egg. Number 2, caterpillar. Number 3, pupa. Number 4, butterfly. Butterfly lays in the leaf on a plant. This hatch. A caterpillar come out of egg. Caterpillar first in the cell from which it came. Thank you.